Hey, what's up everybody? It's another beautiful day. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I go by the name KLOEE. To save the energy and time, call me K Lee. Today I have 5 tips for you Adobe Premiere Pro user. These tips, they're going to save you a lot of time in your editing. No more talking, let's jump into Adobe Premiere Pro and we see how are we going to apply these 5 tips. Tip number 1, cutting the clip. Everybody knows how to cut the clip, but we are using laser tool. You just click laser tool and you go at the place you want to cut, and then you cut. I'm going to press Command Z a couple of times. This is just a normal way, but to save the time, take your playhead somewhere and then press Command in your keyboard and press K. You will be already cut your clip. So you can cut this clip as much as you can by pressing Command K. Tip number 2, how to get rid of the gap. Let's say you're editing, maybe you shoot your vlog, there is a part of the video you don't want to use them. You have to cut them. Alright, these are the clips you want to use, but there is a gaps here. I know you can get rid of these gaps by pressing this gap, right click it, and it will be repo delete, but I'm here to show you how to save the time. There is many gaps here, so how can I get rid of all of them at once? It's just easy. Take this playhead in one of those gaps you have and then go all the way to the sequence up here and then go to the close gap, click it. You see the magic? You have already saved the time on repo delete. Tip number 3, how to repress the clip. There is different ways, but this is time saver. Let's say I want to repress this portion of this clip here. How am I going to do? I'm just going to drag this video and press Option in your keyboard all the way to the clip you want to repress, and then when you let it go, it's going to fit that portion. Very nice, like that. If you preview, you see that's how you can repress the clip. Alright, tip number 4, how to place clip in between the clip. I know there is these two insert the clip. If you take this playhead and you just click this insert here, it's going to cut that clip somewhere there. We don't want that. We want this clip to be placed in between of these two clips, but not in one of these. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to drag this video and go to your keyboard, press Command and go all the way to the place you want to press this clip, and when you let it go, it's going to push the next clip and it's going to insert that clip you want to insert in between. That's how to insert the clip in between clip. Tip number 5, how to reveal the footage. Let's say you have a lot of footage here, but you want to know where this footage is located, whether in your project or in your Finder. I'm using Mac. If you're in sequence right here and you want to reveal this footage, you want to see it where it is, maybe you want to change the portion, right click the clip and then go all the way to reveal in project or reveal in Finder. So if I press reveal in project, it's going to show me in project. It's all over here. So if I double click it, I will find it somewhere here. All right, those are 5 tips. I hope you learned something today. Thank you very much. Subscribe, like, share, comment if you have one. I'll be happy to reply as soon as I receive them. See you in another video. Cheers.